Hi, welcome to Technoland Expert World. Today I will discuss about the NTUC, one of the most frequent and best insurance company on the Singapore based. This company gives us some policy benefits like income, uses, analytics, 360 and BigQuery to collate and find meaningful customer data to tailor its marketing strategies to meet individual needs and generate sales. The next is creative creates effective personalized campaign in a day, not months. Increase click-through rate CTR by 92% by delivering timely and relevant messaging to the targeted audience. Like you can claim the benefits after a year. They have no packages on the month claims. Builds deeper relation between consumers and insurance agent. NTUC income extra assured like S25, S40, S70, S75. Till S75 you can buy their policy. Scheme purchase NTUC for the S25 income extra assured a base sum assured $60,000 with ECI and CI rider and 5x coverage. Like ECI means the early critical illness and the CI is critical illness. As for the scheme, he finishes premium payments for his policy and will continue to enjoy coverage for the rest of his life up to $40,747 is 70 schemes TPD and 5x coverage and is basic coverage reverts to non-multiplier rates like $73,823. And the S75 schemes chooses to surrender his policy, he receives a lump sum payout to use as his wish $90,186. Death terminal illness like DTI or TI $3 lakhs total and permanent disability like DPD $3 lakhs early critical illness. This is for the S25 1 lakh $50,000 critical illness also for the S25 1 lakh $50,000. What motivates people to buy insurance? Some people buy insurance to secure themselves from the financial constraint that come with possible future medical emergencies, while others see it as a form of savings. Charges in life stages such as marriage, the birth of child, or home buying also often influence insurance decision. Instead of pushing the same product to everyone, we want to optimize marketing spend by targeting the right customer with right message at the right time. Google Cloud helps us understand who to target and how to target them. Written by the head of the marketing department or earning department, Annie Hung. NTUC income star assure insurance coverage like receive up to 500% sum assured against the DPD like the total and permanent disability and accidental health coverage receive up to 2x on the sum of assured against accidental death retrenchment benefit and flexible premium terms. Annie Hung, head of the digital business at NTUC Income, believes that recognizing buy signals can help insurers increase sales and loss market share. This is why she embraces data and analytics to discover more about her customers' needs with the intention to convert prospective customers to making an insurance purchase. Her data first approach was also the reason she led the adoption of Google Cloud at income to empower customer-centric marketing, enabling a 360-degree customer view with Analytics 360. In the past, customer interaction were limited to phone calls and in-person meetings. Nowadays, tech-savvy customers increasingly turn to online service for their insurance need. From getting a life insurance quote to filing a car insurance claim, the customer journey from awareness to purchase may involve multiple touchpoints offline and online. These interactions offer opportunities for income to learn about people's need to improve its marketing strategy over time. To help income breaks down data silos, Happy Marketer, a Google marketing platform partner, introduced Analytics 360 and BigQuery to income to connect and analyze historical and new data in one place, especially customer information and interaction. Data sources include customer management software, owned channels such as incomes, website and apps, and paid channels such as ad serving platforms like YouTube. So compared to a traditional database, BigQuery can handle the real-time analysis of the streaming data from Analytics 360. So income can score potential customers based on their propensity to buy. Machine learning combined with automation marketing on Optimize 360 to create personalized message help drive sales through higher customer engagement. So nowadays the ML has helped us, machine learning can help us to with the automation of detection of higher customer engagement. Advanced segmentation and machine learning on BigQuery has improved our marketing effectiveness significantly. We achieve a 40% reduction in customer acquisition cost and an increase in click-through rate by 92% by connecting our audience with what they are interested in. So now you can optimize everything by the machine learning. Thank you for today. Welcome to my channel.